Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you! Today, we are in the making of our Ankara bow tie. These are the materials I will be using. Ankara material, elastic rubber, needle and thread, scissors to cut, press button, tape rule. Now, pick your material. Measure out 20. The length will be 20. Then the width will be 14. Pick your scissors and cut it out. After cutting it out, this is what you have gotten. After cutting it out, you can decide to cut any measurement of your design. You can decide to make it longer and wider than this one. Now, you pick your material like this. You look at the front, you turn it to the back like this. This is the front of the material and this is the back of the material. You fold to the back like this and start running your stitches from this edge to this edge. Pick your needle, start running your stitches from here. After running your stitches, this is what it will look like. We run our stitches from this edge now to this edge. There's space here. You want to turn it. Remember, before you turn, make sure you tie this place before you turn so that your thread does not lose. Now you pick your scissors. You will turn it out. After turning, this is how it will look like. This is the opening that will turn from. Now, we want to run our invisible stitches. That is from inside to inside so that it doesn't show outside. You pick your needle and run your stitches from inside to inside. After running your invisible stitches from inside to inside, this is what it will look like. You won't see it outside like this. Then you cut out your thread. Yeah. Now, we'll cut out another material. That is, our length will be 10. Our weight will be 3. The weight will be 3. Then you cut it out.